Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Pawar and I am student from Breathsung classes. So today I will discuss about the skeletal system. So the skeletal system is a very important organ system in our body because it provided structure or a support structure to our body. So there are some functions of a skeletal system. In that, first one is to allow movement to our body parts. Then second one is it is provided to our internal organs. Then third one is mm, it gives shape and a structure to our body. Then skeletal system also store the calcium and types of minerals in our bones. Then also provide support to our body. So these are the some main functions of the skeletal system. So the skeletal system contains bones, then muscles, tendons, ligaments, and a soft tissue. So first one is the bones. So there are 206 bones are present in the adults. So bones means there are connective tissues reinforced with calcium and other body cells. And also, second type is muscles. So there are above the 600 muscles are present in our body, and they are divided into three parts. In that, first one is cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, and a skeletal muscle. So the muscles are composed by bundle of muscle fibers with other tissues. uh, then third type of skeletal system is a tendon. So the tendons are a fibrous connective tissue which are attached muscle to bone. Then the ligaments. So ligaments are also fibrous connective tissue, and they are attached bone to bone. Then fifth type is soft tissue. So the soft tissue are connected with the other tissue and support them. So these are the part of skeletal system. So there are 26 bones are present in skeletal system, and they are divided into five types. In that, first one is a long bone, then short bone, then the irregular bone, then sesamoid bone, and flat bone. So these are the types of bones, and these bones are divided into two parts: axial skeletal system and appendicular skeletal system. In the axial skeletal system, there are 80 bones are present, and in the appendicular skeletal system, there are 126 bones are present. In the axial skeletal system, are divided into the four parts. In that, first one is the skull bones. So there are two in the skull bones are divided into again two parts. In that, first one is the cranial bones, and the second one is the face bones. In the cranial, 8 bones are present, and in the face, 14 bones are present. So second part of axial skeletal system is a auditory ossicles, which are present in our two ears. There are 6 bones in auditory ossicles. Then third part is hypoid bone. Then fourth is ribs and a sternum are present into the axial skeletal system. Then second one is the appendicular skeletal system. In the appendicular skeletal system, there are 126 bones are present, and they are also divided into four types. In that, first one is the pectoral grindles, and second one is the bones of upper limbs. In that, arm bone, forearm bone, and hand bones are present. In that, third one is the bones of pelvis. In that, two bones are present, and the fourth part is bones of lower limbs. In the bones of lower limbs, thick bones and our foot bones are present into the bones of lower limbs. So this is overview of a skeletal system in which we are discuss about the function of skeletal system, parts of skeletal system, then types of bones and types of bones. So these are uh, topics are discussed into the skeletal system. Thank you.